Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Dancehall princess Shenseea trods a new path, reinventing herself and her sound. The Grammy-winning artist opens up as she covers the 2023 winter issue of international magazine Roller Coaster. The Waistline singer shares that she believes her purpose is to create music for the world to understand, enjoy, and inspire the eyes that are witnessing her journey, adding that it is important for her to maximize her full potential by not allowing her creativity to be stifled, which may lead to her living an unfulfilled life. Now, dancehall artist Sean Paul says working with reggaeton artists has allowed him to bridge the gap between reggaeton and dancehall music.
Earlier this year, I've been doing work with like Karol G, with Fade, you know, with people like Danny Ocean, with people like Farina. And so I just dropped a single with Manuel Turizo, and that's called Them Time There. So we trying to bridge the gap between, you know, the reggaeton plateau and the dancehall area.
Adding that while a language barrier exists between English and Spanish, music is universal.
It's just such a close proximity. I've said it before, I think, on your show. And you know, it basically we don't speak the same language, but we speak the same music. You know what I'm saying? So
right.
Last year I dropped a song with Junior Gang and Nicky Jam, and that song's called No Fear. And I just continue to trend.
Meanwhile, he says there are plans to enlarge his scope in the Afrobeats world while hinting to being on the remix of Ashake's Terminator.
There's a song called Terminator right now, and I'm on that song for the remix as well. So good little vibe going on with the Afrobeat, good little vibe going on with the reggaeton vibe.
Jamaica's entertainment, cultural and creative industries, ECCI, may soon have a legislative framework thanks to the Entertainment, Culture and Creative Economy Act. The ministry in charge of culture and entertainment is in charge of developing the strategy that would guarantee Jamaica fully benefiting from the orange economy. The act is now in its initial phase, with consultations resulting in the first draft and internal amendments. The cultural economy aims to offer legal framework, funding and intellectual property protection. Minister Olivia Grange stated that the measure will benefit the creative industry. The act is projected to help formalize the ECCI and contribute to the country's GDP and employment.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.